me, I'm in a good feeling all day long. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? So today's video, it's all the way different, even though I'm going to be doing makeup in today's video. But the reason why it's different is because out of all these years that I've been doing, makeup, on YouTube, freelancing, all that good stuff, and a lot of you guys always suggested that I should come up with a makeup product, but I didn't. Honestly, I just never gave it much energy. But I must say today I'm very grateful that I present to you my first ever makeup collaboration, and it is with Makiage New York. I'm so grateful. Today the focus is on my lipstick that I have with Makiage, and the name of this shade is Divinity Dirty Talk. So yes, my name is on it and everything, and I'm just humbled by this whole collaboration. Honestly, you guys know that I move in silence. I just don't think I'm gonna just go through, and as I said, I'm just humbled for this collaboration. And today what we're gonna do, I'm gonna beat my face, I'm gonna get all glammed up, I'm gonna get dressed up, and I present to you my lipstick. Okay, so yeah, just keep on watching, and yeah, I would really love for you guys to go ahead and support my lipstick. Go ahead and shop it on the Makiage website. I'm going to leave the direct link and everything in my description box, so go ahead, check that out, and let's go ahead and jump into this glam. Let's go. So for today's look, I think I just want that pop of color on the lip, and like a nice neutral glam, that clean neutral look. That's what I'm going for, with like a nice sharp wing. So I'm gonna start off with the brows, and I did go ahead and get microbladed, so I don't need to really fill in my brows anymore. All I do is I take my concealer and I clean up around it just to make it have that super defined sharp look. I'm gonna be taking my FM Flawless Makiage concealer, which this concealer is very lightweight on the skin. I really like the consistency. This shade I'm gonna use is number 30. I usually go on the bottom portion with a shade like this though. For the top, I'll use the foundation because that matches my skin. I don't want that halo brow, so for the top, I'm gonna take my I Woke Up Like This Flawless Based Foundation. The name is on the back. Yeah, so this is a bottle. It's the same. I've been using this for a while now, guys. My shade is 195. So the next step is priming. You can definitely skip primer if it is that you're not going to be wearing your makeup for a long time, this, but if you want it to be durable, I definitely recommend a nice primer, and I always go with my Makiage Poreless No Filter Base primer. This is how it looks, clear, and this is really smooth on the skin. It really kind of fill in those fine lines. It really allows the makeup to glide on really nicely, so I like that. Of course, guys, make sure you're doing this on clean skin. I feel like this primer is perfect for like combination skin. I have combination skin. So now that the primer is on, I'm gonna go back in with my foundation, and I love this foundation. It's really nice. I don't usually have to use a lot. Usually I go with like 2 pumps, and I blend that out, and I don't put it all over the face. I do it one section at a time just to make life easier. I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. I'm going to go back in with the FM Flawless Concealer. I recommend this concealer 10 out of 10, guys. As I said before, I really do like the consistency. So this shade that I'm going to go in with now is number 8.
You and only you.
So everything is looking super smooth, guys. Let's just ignore like these 3 bumps going on in my face. Everything else is looking super smooth. For my face powder, I actually got a pressed powder from Makiage, and it's the sun bronze. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll just set everything. So let's do that. I'm not gonna do much for the eye makeup. I want to keep it super simple in terms of shadows. So I'm not gonna even use an eyeshadow. I'm going to use their pressed powder in Cocoa. Yes, to just apply in my transition area. And kind of just, you know, windshield wiper motion. Yes, guys, I know my lashes are looking crazy. So I'm gonna balance out everything with some eyelashes and I'll come back. I did say I was gonna do wing liner. Should I? I'm thinking. Alright, maybe I should. One more thing, we have to add that glow. You guys know I love my glow, right? So for today's glow, I'm going in with my Makiage. This is the Golsan Highlighter Dust.
Time goes, just flies when I hold you close. In my arms with your eyes closed.
This is the packaging. It's really nice and sleek, and that's what I love about it. This is perfect. It's simple, but it just looks sleek. It looks classy. It's me. So the name of it is on the bottom here, and it says Divinity Dirty Talk. And you know, you open it and it pops up like this, you know, classy, right? So it's like a nice creamy purple formula, and you guys might wonder like what inspired this color. So I feel like I'm always doing, you guys know I love a nice glossy lip, but if I have to do like a color, it's either going to be purple or red. Purple or red, and I didn't want to do red. So I feel like this color was perfect for me, to just be like, to add that pop of color. When I thought about lipstick, I wanted to do this color. It's matte, but it's extremely creamy. So let me do a swatch for you on the back of my hand before I actually apply it. So, oh my guys, listen, yesterday I showed this to my mother and she was blown away. It is extremely creamy. I just need you guys to get this and put it to the test for yourself. It glides on super easy. Not a lot of tension went into that swatch a while ago. Like, not a lot at all. It was perfect. You see the color? It's really nice and pretty. And it's well pigmented. It doesn't look like super... You can tell when you have quality. And that's what it's giving. It's giving everything that it's supposed to give. I'm so pleased with it. I am so... And yeah. It wipes off pretty easy. It's really nice and gentle and soft on the lips.
I can feel how I'm changing.
So it's definitely a creamy matte lipstick. Okay, it's not like a dry matte look. Like if you're up close, like I'm not sure if you can pick it up on the camera, but you can see that it's definitely creamy and it feels that way on the lips. It's really, really nice. You won't get uncomfortable with this after wearing it for an hour or two. It won't start cracking on you. And that's something that I really look for in a lipstick, and that's why I feel like over time I kind of lean more to glosses, because it's annoying after a while when your lips become dry and choppy. It's not cute, you know, especially your outer tonic veins, and it's just not cute. But a lipstick like this, a formula like this, will definitely maintain that moisture, and that's what you want. You don't want dry lips. Nobody wants that. So it's a gorgeous color. It's popping. And once I saw this, I knew that I wanted to do a whole outfit, like of black and then a pop. That pretty much, you know, concludes this look. That's it. So we're going to change into our outfit in 3, 2, 1.
I don't ever wanna lose you now.
Guys, so I'm all done with today's look. That's pretty much it. Yes, this is, you know, my lipstick with Makiage. So you can go ahead and support your girl. You know, check out my description box. The link is there. Again, I'm just so grateful for you guys. I'm super humbled. You know, it's just amazing. Thank you guys so much. And yes, I changed my outfit and I decided to match the packaging of my lipstick because I do love black. I actually do love black. Keep it classy, keep it cute. That's what I did. And yeah, that's it for now. As I said, go ahead and check out my description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Because it's you and only